Hey guys, why are you peeking into my house? Whoa! Why is it in the air? Oh, is there a ghost under it? The ball was levitating in the air because of Coanda Effect. Do you know what is Coanda Effect? Coanda Effect is defined as a tendency of a jet fluid to stay attached to a convex or a flat surface. If this is all German to you, please let me explain. So, Coanda Effect applies on this ball in this way. First, the stream of air that comes from the hair dryer tends to rise up. This air hits the undersurface of the ball that curves according to the curve of the ball. This creates a lower pressure area around the ball, and the higher pressure of the atmosphere pushes it up, and thus it levitates. Coanda effect is very important for us in our lives. Now, when I keep my hand up below my mouth like this and blow over it, you may not be able to see the air, but if you had glasses to see air, you might be able to see that the air does not continue in a straight line. Really, it does not. It goes down. This is Coanda effect. So now we have learned how Coanda effect comes into existence and how it works. Did you know that Coanda effect is used in aeroplanes? Yes, it is. When the jet engine under the wing pushes air, the air tends to attach to the curved surface of the wing and produce an area of lower pressure. The higher air pressure below it pushes it up and produces lift for the wing. This wing is attached to the aeroplane and the aeroplane flies. Incredible, isn't it? Did you know some boats that sail above water also use Coanda effect? They have special sails under the hull of them. They are boats that push water down and produce lift. When these boats get above the water, their hull produces much less friction and boats can sail at a much higher speed. You can make Coanda effect at home. Did you know? Oh yes, the easy way to understand it, cut a strip of about 1 centimeter breadth and 7 to 10 centimeters length and put it under your lip. Then if you blow, it will fly up like this. If you could zoom into the paper strip which I blew, you could see that it has many irregularities. Air tries to pass between those irregularities. When the air passes through the irregularities, it tries to lift the paper up by Coanda effect. Now what happens exactly is the air goes between the irregularities and attaches. The air wants to continue in a straight line, but it cannot because it needs to pass between the irregularities. This creates a vacuum or a partial lower pressure and gives lift. Now it is a time for a quick quiz of 3 questions. The first question is, can spaceships use Coanda effect? Not possible because Coanda effect requires a jet of fluid, that is air or water. Can we make a Coanda effect drone at home? Yes, but with mummy or daddy's help because you might hurt yourself. The last question is, Can Coanda effect be eliminated? No, Coanda effect cannot be completely eliminated, but can be reduced by polishing the surface.
Hey, I'm flying with the Coanda Effect. Amazing, isn't it?
Hey, Toru, where were you flying, man? Hey, come over here. Bonus! In the next video, we will learn about quantum mechanics. Did you know a quantum particle cannot stay in one place for more than 1 second? What? Hey friends, did you like my video? I feel that you liked my video. If you liked my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want my videos at the instant I upload them, hit the bell icon. If you feel that you didn't like or you want to have suggestions or queries about specifically science, you can comment. I'll try to respond. Bye!